In the gentle embrace of a serene Arabian night, Ali, a devoted believer, found solace in the stillness surrounding him. The sky, embellished with a tapestry of stars, held a divine mystery that seemed ready to unfold. As he settled into his nightly vigil, he recalled the whispers of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, about a night where the divine light would pierce through the earthly realm. Laylatul Qadr, the night of decree. Ali's heart swelled with anticipation and awe. Each night of the final 10 nights of Ramadan, he immersed himself in prayer and reflection, his heart hopeful that he might encounter the night where the Quran was revealed, an event that would alter the course of mankind. Indeed, we sent it, the Quran, down during the night of decree, echoed in his mind as he prayed fervently. Ali thought of his family, friends, and community, yearning for mercy and guidance. He reflected on the trials of the past, the lessons learnt, and the gratitude he harbored within himself. As he prayed, he felt a profound connection to the All-Merciful, his spirit lifted by the promise of forgiveness, greater than any burden of sin. On one particular night, as silence enveloped his surroundings, Ali felt a tangible peace descend upon him. It was a tranquility unlike any other, an encompassing calm that nourished his soul. He prayed with an earnest supplication, "O Allah, you are the pardoner, and